Good morning, students. M is written as R minus lambda or R upon lambda and is called the difference or the quotient module of R by lambda. You can say that R minus lambda, this is called the difference module, and R upon lambda is called the quotient module. Next submodules, a non-empty subset. A non-empty subset, that means which have any elements, any members. A non-empty subsets S, non-empty set means S is not equal to 5. Okay. S of a R module M is said to be submodule of M. एक नॉन एम्पटी सबसेट है S, उसे हम वो कैसा है, नॉट इक्वल टू 5 है, ऑफ R मॉड्यूल हम कब कहेंगे, said to be submodule of M if first one condition is S is an additive subgroup of M. S आपका कैसा होना चाहिए, additive subgroup of M होना चाहिए. Second one is R belongs to capital R, A belongs to S, that means RA belongs to S. If M is R module, M आपका क्या हो जाएगा, यहां से R module हो जाएगा, then M itself and singleton set 0 are always submodule of M. M R module है, then M itself and 0 भी आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा, always submodule of M हो जाएगा, and are called improper submodules. Both of these are called M and 0 insert. This is called improper submodules. And any submodule of M other than M, आप बाकी मॉड्यूल्स की बात करेंगे M के अंदर, any submodules of M other than M and singleton set 0 is called a proper submodules. ये दोनों तो आपके रहेंगे improper submodules and other than of these, both of these, this is called the proper submodules. Okay, next theorem हमारे पास, if A and B are two submodules of R module M, then A intersection B is also a submodule of M. A और B आपके पास two submodules हैं किसी R module M की, then जो इसकी intersections हैं A intersection B is also a submodule of क्या बन जाए, M की. Since प्रूफ स्टार्ट करेंगे इसका, since A और B आपके पास two submodules given थे by a R module, therefore A and B आपके पास क्या हो जाएंगे, additive subgroup of M. We can say that A और B are additive subgroup of M. Let us consider इसकी कोई two elements consider करते हैं. हमें intersection को submodule दिखाना है तो हम intersections को ही लेते हैं. intersections में select करते हैं कि A और B दो element है, where R belongs to A intersection B. A belongs to B. A B belongs to A intersection B. A B belongs to A intersections B. Okay. A B belongs to A intersection B. That means A also belongs to A and B also belongs to A. A also belongs to B. A also belongs to B and B also belongs to B. That means AB belongs to A and AB belongs to B. AB belongs to A, that means A minus B also belongs to A, and similarly we can say that AB belongs to B, A minus B also belongs to B. That means we can say that A minus B belongs to A intersection B. A intersection B is additive subgroup of M. अब हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई वाली प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव करेंगे ताकि इसको हम क्या बना सके, सबमोड्यूल बना सके M का. A intersection B तो एडिटिव सबग्रुप बन गया आपका. Let R small r is belongs to capital R. We consider a element A in this intersection A and B. A belongs to A intersection B, then A also belongs to A and A also belongs to B. A belongs to capital A, small r belongs to capital R, then RA belongs to A belongs to B, R belongs to capital R, and RA belongs to B. Then RA belongs to A intersection B. A intersection B is called a submodule of M.